Do you need respect like this? Got the right video. So this is the first step. You see, they're gonna get you respect, and you have to pay them. Now you can just pay them like around 10K or 20, you know, so you don't get scammed. You have to set them half. Then when they get you respect, that's when you send the money. So the next step is being toxic. So yeah, they're gonna get mad, and all you gotta do is run to the ring, and they're gonna get in, and make sure you win. Now all you gotta do is act bad, cause if they say you're bad, of course they're gonna wanna fight you. And make sure you put on a trash style, and make sure you hold your so put on shoes or gloves when they get in the ring. So